Hey guys, Spartan here for the daily recap, November 15th, 2022. Let's take a look at what we did today. So we got some great volatility in the market today. It was a little bit of a choppy morning. And then the market obviously gave us a nice opportunity with that news headline with Russia that came out. Then they were kind of saying, it was BS. We got a little bit of a bounce back. We'll see what happens overnight in regards to continuation. But, ended up being some pretty good trades because of that on the SPX for the downside. Let's start with our equity trades first. Tesla long 4 points today. It was a nice little move this morning. Held its range pretty well. We'll see if it holds up tomorrow as well. But overall, pretty impressed with the staying power of it. Coin long 1 point on that one this morning. E by X long at the end of the day there for about 1.5 points. Baidu long intraday for 2 points, mRNA long for 3 points, LMT long for 3 points when that news came out as well. We ended up grabbing some of that. We tried some crowd long that worked for about 1 point. UPST, we ended up getting out of this one pretty quickly. We were long for about 20 cents, 30 cents to the upside. We took some BABA short, ended up covering that one flat before it bounced this morning, so that was the right decision there. GRWG, we took this one long for about 15 cents to the upside. Didn't have much range, but it did work out okay. Sava long, this one ended up popping 50 cents, then pulling back to our stop. It was okay. I mean, didn't really do much in regards to continuation. We'll see what that one does tomorrow. All in all, though, pretty decent day. We did try some team long twice. That failed twice, unfortunately, but that was pretty much it on the trades that didn't work on the equity side. Option side, a little bit different. We had some stuff overnight, which we were really lucky with. Google, we had the 100 calls long. Obviously, the news came out. Those ended up going 336%. We rolled some 102s intraday for 158% to the upside. Some Future long overnight, the 50 calls. Those ended up working nicely for about 400%. We ended up holding the rest of those overnight. And then we did some SPX puts intraday. We did some calls this morning for 30, 40% here and there. And then we did some SPX intraday. We did the 39.70 puts, 39.70, 39.65 put spread, I should say. And that ended up being a pretty good trade. We ended up getting 3,800% on that one. The SPX 39.80s. I should just go to a SPY chart so you can see what the heck I'm talking about. We did the SPY 39.80 puts right when the market started breaking down. I took the puts with the group before the news hit the wires. It was starting to look weak, breaking the 50 MA, so we decided, okay, let's take some of the news hit, and then we got a nice little puke on that. Ended up rolling that out as well. So 537% on those, 39.80s, rolled the 39.50s, 243%. We rolled the 39.20s, which worked out pretty nicely as well. So all in all, pretty decent. We had a couple trades on the option side as well that didn't work. Some SFIX. We tried a little bit of that. That was like a 6 cent loss on that one. We did TTD, the 55 calls, which I ended up working out extremely well today for over 100% on that one. We did the SE calls right out the gate, over a couple 100% on that one. 65 calls ended up getting the money. Tried some McDonald's calls at 60 cents, ended up getting a 10 cent pop on that one. Tried Hood, that one did not work. And that's pretty much it, guys. So all in all, pretty decent day. We'll see what happens tomorrow. The only issue with today was it was really hard to get bigger size just because it was kind of all over the place. But we did play the trend for quite well intraday, so I'm happy with that. Anyways, we'll see what happens tomorrow, guys. Should be an interesting day. We do have NVIDIA earnings after the bell, and the market is no longer extended on the daily to the upside, so that's nice. It filled the gap extension today. So it is technically still bullish from a longer-term perspective. Anyways, that's it. You guys want to come trade with us, you can certainly do so. Sign up, SpartanTrading.com. We stream every single day from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Discord chat's open 24/7. Entries, exits, stops, alerts. We're answering questions all day. And yeah, we're happy to help. Come join us in chat, guys. Have a good one and enjoy the rest of your day.